Hello, students. In this video, we're going to focus on two units you've probably heard about before, centimeters and inches. So let's start with centimeters. A centimetre, or cm for short, is a small unit of measurement. It's part of the metric system and is used to measure everyday things like the length of a pencil or the width of a book. 1 centimetre, 100. Now, let's talk about inches. An inch is usually represented by in, or sometimes with a double prime. There are 1 foot equals 12 inches and 1 yard equals 36 inches. But wait, how do centimeters and inches compare to each other? Centimeters are part of the metric system, while inches belong to the imperial system. The abbreviation for centimeters is cm, and for inches, it's in. 1 centimetre is 0.393701 inches, and 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. The height of a door that's 300 centimeters would be about 118.11 inches. Measurements are super important in all sorts of things, from school projects to everyday activities. So, now you know the difference between inches and centimeters, and you even know how to convert them. Here's a question for you. Do you remember what 1 centimetre is equal to in inches? Let me know in the comments below. The complete curriculum for all classes is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.